Hi everybody, got an unboxing today from some items I won at auction a couple of weeks ago now. They had been delivered, but unfortunately I was at work, so my wife picked them up yesterday. And this consists of 5 or 6 lots. Couple of lots which I wouldn't normally buy, as in jewellery brooches, but I thought I'd give it a go. I like the bling and the colour, and I think there's a market for it in the right place. So I'll unbag these in a moment. I think the prices were really reasonable. There was some pocket knives, antique pocket knives, which I like to buy. I like the antique ones, the figural ones. One of them was a car, if I remember rightly, Monet. So hopefully they're all there. Sometimes they're not. Okay, let's sit down for this bit. Let's see if I can get you in properly, guys. Thank you to my new subscribers. So, okay, where's my mouse? Okay, so 10 Monet brooches was the first lot, and the hammer price on that was £40, and there it is there. £40 hammer. Let's open that up. Here's one of the ones here. A quick little bit of research I did before I actually bid on these to determine the price I was going to go up to, and I found out, you know, they're in good condition. They're worth a few £. So actually looks brand new. Ones that came with this one is up here on the screen. Monet. These are all the Monet ones. For £40, I don't think I can go wrong with these. The Americans, I think you call them pins. Over here you call them brooches. So they're in really good condition. This one has got the price where it was for sale on the shop, £30. This one, £32. Can't quite see that. £30. So that's a good little buy for £40. The next one I've got, the other brooches. This hammer price here was £32. I quite like the cat. That's got 156. These are quite beautiful. That cat is really nice. I say it's a bit of a new venture for us, inspired by watching somebody on YouTube that you probably all know, Blue Bus Dave. Unmarked 1960s black cat. These pins, flower pin and lapel badge, possibly a tie pin for this one. Really quite nice. Pansies perhaps. Early 50s. So I will do a little bit of research on these. They're all in really good condition. They're gleaming. 1950s again. So this must have been somebody's collection. 40s or 50s. Like a little moonstone in the centre, and these diamantes or rhinestones. So £38 for this one, and we're looking at 5, 9, 10, 12. You break that down, it's not much money each. It's only a few pound each. '60s and '70s. So that I would try and break them down a little bit. On the better ones, I'll try and break them down a bit, because '60s and '70s is a 20-year period. If I could get them to specifics, maybe '60s or '70s or '80s or whatever it is, and give that decade, it might be a bit better. Which one? This is one of the Monet ones as well. It's an unusual one. £22.50 for that one. Okay, next lot cost me a hammer price of £18. There's another Monet, and that was this one lot 174. This little American car caught my eye. In really good condition. I'm just going to have a quick look at the tang mark here. Yeah, Richards of Sheffield. So this is £18. I'd be selling this knife itself for 30 to 40, and it would sell not a problem. Little Italian Martini and Rossi Torino. Little knife there, that's nice. Martini. So I'll give these a little bit of a clean. I get a bit fine wire wool, 00, and a bit wax, and just clean them up. Mainly just so you can see the tang. I never take the patina off them at all. And this little one here, celluloid, twin blade, and it's got London skyline there, Houses of Parliament, Big Ben. Will be £70 or £80. Next one I bought was this one, and it was lot 1776, and it was £18 also. The reason I bought this little lot, it was very cheap, but because of the miniatures. So this one here is like a normal small knife, but these ones are miniature, and I have a market for those. And the silver plated, quite early, I would say 50s stalk scissors. So I'll open them up, give them a clean. But that £18 now comes 70 or £80 if they clean up okay, which can't be sniffed at. Next one, £32 on lot 179. Another good buy. I've had this one before, and it shows different ships, large ships. This is the HMS Bulgaria. Not sure how to pronounce that. You see the little bit of a rust here? That'll clean off with a bit wire wool and a bit wax, and then that becomes a £30, £35 knife. These ones, these mother of pearl ones, absolutely love these. This one is in really good condition. So these are Victorian, Edwardian, mother of pearl, ornate carved or inscribed, and this one's got a little figure of a bird here and then a foliate design. This one is got the crisp, lovely crisp hallmarks, and what you find with them is this is a flexible blade, and these were ladies' fruit knives, so they'd be on a picnic and they'd pull this out and it would peel their apples or pears. At the time they didn't want to be eating the skin. That in itself, depending on the RP, the maker, which can be very, very important. Some makers are much more collectible than others. They all have a value. Minimum value on this alone is £30. They can go up to a couple of £100 depending on the maker and the date. I've got some really early ones of those. I'll show you them in a minute. Here we have another one. Earlier, a lot plainer. Just going to have a look at this hallmark, guys. Yeah, this is a lot earlier. So you're looking for the lion passant, line down line. Not sure if I can really get that there for you. This will clean up really well. This one's really early because it's got Victoria's head. Oops. And that'll clean up within a minute. I can clean that. This one's a nice little ornate one. Just have a look where this one's from. Looks maybe Swedish, Scandinavian anyway. It's like a smoker's knife. £32. Value, saleable value, well over 100. This is the last lot, guys, and this is lot 180, and the hammer price on this is £22, as you can see there. What we got? Okay, so to start with, this is a silver scale knife. Yeah, it's got the Birmingham anchor. Be nice if these were silver as well, but no, they're stainless steel. Because of the silver marks, that'll clean up. It's about a £20–25 knife. This one. Lagool maybe. It's got a slightly indistinct stamp there. Mother of pearl with this cartouche, which is a slightly bluer mother of pearl in the form of a cross. Really good condition as well. This one, I would hardly clean it. This pattern that we have on here, it's quite sought after. You don't really want that really crisp, and to close it you just push that and there we go. That in itself is a £30–45 knife. If I can decipher this, which I will do with me literature, all the more. These will go in the cardboard seal box and they'll be £1 each. And here we have a key ring with a knife, an early key ring, Battersea Southwest, so it's London. Early phone number 44566, and this is from the same company as here, Macaulay batteries. So that's quite nice that they've stayed together. And that now, bit of advertising, Richards advertising on the penknife, £30–40. So that's not bad. I'm just going to take this GoPro for a moment, guys, and I'm just going to put you down there for a second.